In this video, I will show how to configure networking on a Windows virtual machine in OVH ProxMox server. This is the ProxMox server we will be using. We need to note down the IPv4 gateway. Copy the gateway IP address, gateway. Next, we need an IP address for the virtual machine. Click on IP address. It will list all additional IP available on your OVH account. I will be using this IP range for the virtual machine. Expand. We have 4 IP address. To use an IP address in ProxMox server, we need to create a virtual Mac. I will be using the IP address ending with 87 for the virtual machine. Before we can use the IP address, we need to create a virtual Mac. On the sidebar, there is a 3 dots. Click on it. Then click on Add a virtual Mac. On the pop-up screen, for the type, select OVH. Then give a name for the virtual machine, VM Windows. Click on Confirm. Now OVH will generate a virtual Mac for the IP address ending with 87. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. We have the gateway and the IP address. We can configure the networking in Windows with this information. Go to the ProxMox. Access the Windows server. To make the screen larger, click on the console. To configure the networking, right click on the network. Click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Click on Ethernet. Click on Change Adapter Options. Right click on the network interface and take Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Click on Properties. Click on Use following IP address. Enter the IP address. For the subnet mask, use 255.255.255.255. Then you have to enter the gateway. Here you need to enter the DNS service. We will be using the Google DNS 8888. For the additional DNS service, we can use Cloudflare DNS 1.1.8. Click OK. You will get a warning related to default gateways not on the same network. This is normal with OVH. Click on Yes. On the VM, we have configured the network. Let's see if we can access the internet. We can't access the website. We need to configure the virtual Mac before we can get the networking working. So go back to the OVH and see if the virtual Mac is ready. Refresh the page. Now we have virtual Mac for the IP ending with 87. Copy the virtual Mac. Now go to the ProxMox. Close the console. You need to shut down the virtual machine. Click Shutdown. Click Yes. Now go to the hardware. Double click on network device. Here you need to enter the virtual Mac. Click OK. Now start the virtual machine. Windows is booted back. Click on the console button to make it larger. Click on the Show Hide control bar. Then click on the Show Extra Keys. You need to click on the last option. That is 3 dots. That will send a Control Alt Delete. That will show the login prompt. Enter the password. Let's hide the control bar. Let's see if internet is working. Take the Internet Explorer. Visit any website. The virtual machine is able to connect to the internet. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.